Hello. Today, we're diving into a review of Domino's Pizza Incorporated stock, trading under the ticker symbol $DPZ. We'll explore its advantages, disadvantages, and conclude with a final rating. Before we begin, please note that the information provided is for informational purposes only. It's essential to verify details directly with the company for the most up-to-date information. Stock market data is subject to change, and I encourage you to consult official sources or financial advisors for the latest details. This review reflects my personal opinion and does not constitute financial advice. First, let's discuss the advantages of Domino's Pizza Incorporated stock. Advantage number 1. Domino's has demonstrated consistent financial performance. In the third quarter of 2024, the company reported a 5.1% increase in global retail sales, with U.S. same-store sales growth of 3.0% and international same-store sales growth of 0.8%. This indicates a robust business model and strong market presence. Advantage number 2. Positive analyst outlook. According to recent reports, 34 Wall Street analysts have issued ratings for Domino's Pizza Incorporated, with 22 rating it as bullish, 1 as bearish, and 11 as neutral. This consensus suggests confidence in the company's future performance. Now, we will see the disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Competitive market pressures. Despite a strong profit report in the third quarter of 2024, Domino's missed revenue forecasts, highlighting the intense competition for value-seeking consumers in the current market. Disadvantage number 2. Leadership transition. After 22 years, CEO Don May announced his retirement, with Mark Van Dyke set to take over. While leadership changes can bring fresh perspectives, they may also introduce uncertainties during the transition period. In conclusion, Domino's Pizza Incorporated stock presents a mix of consistent financial performance and positive analyst sentiment, balanced against competitive market pressures and upcoming leadership changes. Considering these factors, I would rate Domino's stock at 7 out of 10. Remember, this is a personal opinion, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consult with financial advisors before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review provides valuable insights into Domino's Pizza Incorporated stock.